Hello, Schall Tigers. I hope that you are ready for the adventure to begin. This is a reminder about our Schall open house tomorrow, Wednesday, August 25th from 5 o'clock to 6:30. You may come anytime during that hour and a half to meet your teacher, see your classroom, drop off school supplies, and pick up some paperwork. We also have a grab and go hot dog dinner provided by our food service department, and that will be in our kitchen. You can walk on through and grab a bag dinner to go. I know that some of you have heard about Chromebook collection for our elementary students. Schall will not be collecting Chromebooks at Open House. We will be collecting them on September 8th, and we will get you more information about that. So please do not bring your Chromebooks for collection tomorrow night. We cannot wait to see you as we start our adventure of the 21-22 school year. So I hope to see you all tomorrow at our Schall open house from 5 o'clock to 6:30. Have a great night.